Students, we are doing indefinite integral. In that we are doing integration by substitution method. Now we will do the exercise 11C, that is continuous here. This is the first question given. It is given x a square plus x square raised to power n dx. Now integration here. As we have done in the previous exercise, that is, we have to substitute some values and differential of that is also present because we want the value of dx also. So here what we will do, we will put a square plus x square equal to t. A square plus x square equal to t, or 2x dx equal to dt. It means x dx equal to 1 by 2 dt. So here given x a square plus x square whole raised to power n dx. So we can write like this also. A square plus x square raised to power n x dx. Now in place of x square plus a square we will put d. X dx is 1 by 2 dt. So it is 1 by 2 t dt. Now integration of t is t square by 2. So it is t square by, now t raised to power n, it will be n. T raised to power, because it is the power n is given, t raised to power n. So we will get here 1 by 2 t raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1, or it is t means x square plus a square raised to power n plus 1 upon 2 into n plus 1. In this way you will get this. Now similarly we will do one more. If it is integration is given log x whole square upon x dx. Now as we know that there is no integral of log x, we know the differential of log x. So we will put here, put log x equal to t, log x equal to t, or differential log x is 1 by x dx equal to dt. So it is here t raised to power 2 dt. Now t raised to power 2 means t cube upon 3, or it will be 1 by 3 log x whole cube. This will be the answer. Now next, here if it is given integral ex a plus b ex raised to power a plus b raised, that is a plus b ex raised to power n dx. Now same way, here integral or differential of ex is ex only. So we will put this complete bracket, that is put a plus b ex equal to t, or b ex dx equal to dt, or ex dx equal to 1 upon b dt. So replace here, so it will be 1 upon b t raised to power n dt, or 1 upon b t raised to power n t n plus 1 upon n plus 1, or we will get 1 upon b a plus b ex raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. This is the answer. So you have to learn formulas. Now again for the now next, if it is given integral of sine inverse x raised to power 3 upon under root 1 minus x square dx. Integral of sine inverse x raised to power 3 under root upon under root 1 minus x square. As we know that there is no integral of sine inverse x. We know the integral of 1 upon under root 1 minus x square, it is equal to sine inverse x. So similarly here we will put sine inverse x equal to t, because we know the differential of sine inverse x is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. So it will be 1 upon under root 1 minus x square dx equal to dt or here we will get t cube into dt, or t cube means t raised to power 4 upon 4, so it is sine inverse x raised to power 4 upon 4. This is the answer. Now next, e raised to power x plus e raised to minus x, e raised to power x minus e minus x dx. Now here what is given? Ex plus e raised to minus x, ex minus e minus x. Here either you put this ex plus e raised to minus x as a t, so ex is ex and differential e raised to minus x is minus ex. So either you put this or this in here. So suppose we are putting this e raised to power x minus e minus x equal to t. So it will be ex plus e raised to minus x dx equal to dt. So we will get here this is as t dt. T means t square by 2 or e raised to power x minus e minus x whole square upon 2. This is the answer. Now next, here it is 2x sine inverse x square upon under root 1 minus x over dx. Now look here, see the difference here. It is given 2x sine inverse x square upon under root 1 minus x 4. So can I write like this? Sine inverse x square 2x upon under root 1 minus x square whole square. Now as here it is given x square, if we put here, put x square equal to t, so what we will get? 2x dx equal to dt. So here what we are getting? Sine inverse t 2x dx equal to dt upon under root of 1 minus t square. Now again the terms are given in the denominator, that is under root 1 minus t square. So what we will do, as we have done in the previous, अपन ने प्रीवियसली क्या था कि इंटीग्रल साइन इनवर्स t का नहीं, साइन इनवर्स x का नहीं होता है, डिफरेंशियल होता है साइन इनवर्स x का 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. सेम वे इंटीग्रल होता है 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर का इंटीग्रल, दैट इज साइन इनवर्स x. यहाँ क्या करेंगे? अगेन पुट करेंगे, अगेन वी विल पुट sin inverse t equal to any other variable u. So 1 upon under root 1 minus t square dt equal to du. Now see, in the previous we have put x square equal to t, because here x square given, x4 is given, so we have reduced x square in terms of t. After getting this value, again what we will do, we will put here tan inverse t equal to u, or 1 upon 1 minus t square dt equal to du. So replace here. So what will you get? Tan inverse t means you will get here, that is sin inverse, here that will be u upon du, u upon du, because 1 upon t square is this, or you will get u square upon 2. U square means 1 by 2 sin inverse t का square, because the value of u is sin inverse t. Now 1 by 2 sin inverse t. What is the value of t? Here it is x square. So t will replace by x square whole square. So what is the answer? 1 by 2 sin inverse x square whole square. Now look here. Here it is, we have substitute 2 times. हमने इसमें 2 बार पुट किया है. पहले x square को हमने t रखा, और इसके बाद t को पुट करने पे du dx इक्वल टू dt निकाला. उसके बाद पूरा फंक्शन अपना t में आया. उसके बाद अपन ने पुट किया साइन इनवर्स t को u से, फिर u के फॉर्म में आंसर आया. जब आंसर रिजल्ट आएगा, पहले u को रिप्लेस करेंगे, u को रिप्लेस करने के बाद वो t में आया, फिर t को रिप्लेस कर देंगे, वो x के फॉर्म में आ जाएगा. तो वो अपना आंसर आ गया 1 by 2 साइन इनवर्स x स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर. सो ये एक्सरसाइज खत्म होती है. और आप लोग को प्रैक्टिस करना है, आप लोग को प्रैक्टिस करना है और फॉर्मूले याद करना है। फॉर्मूले याद होंगे तो ईजिली हो जाएगा। सो लर्न बाय हार्ट ऑल द फॉर्मूला। थैंक यू।